Hello friends, it's Monday. Cody and I are currently running some errands. First stop is laser hair removal at Low Heat Laser for Code. This is probably like your 5th treatment or something.
Probably more than that. It feels like it's like my 8th.
Okay. He's had a lot of treatments. I'm gonna pop into the dollar store and get some stuff and mail out a package. We're gonna grab breakfast, then we're gonna go to Ikea. Exciting day. But we're currently in IHOP, and we haven't been to IHOP in a really long time, but Cody listens to this podcast called The Doughboys, and he listens, and they do like food reviews, and they were raving about the cupcake pancakes, and so it's not something we would typically order, but we came here because there's one in Low Heat Mall to try them out, and so that's what we're doing. And I didn't realize that obviously I'm trying to do gluten-free and dairy-free for the most part, and they have a pretty good selection for gluten-free. I ordered like gluten-free pancakes, and then like the hash browns, obviously bacon, eggs, those are all gluten-free too. So I'll give you guys a review on the pancakes because I haven't had them yet. And what else did you order?
Chicken fajita omelet.
And then your cupcake pancakes. So we'll see what those taste like. They have sprinkles, which sounds good to me. It's also been a really long time since we sat in a restaurant, but it's really empty, so yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Does it taste like a cupcake?
It does.
Nice. This is a really random thing that we get from Ikea, but their Ziploc bags are really good. And we need them for like the freezer and stuff. Okay, I know these are for napkins, but they're kind of cute. I feel like you could use them to store makeup in drawers or something. I don't know. I like it. I used to have this vase, and then I think it was Snicks or Noodle that knocked it over and completely smashed it. I don't know if I want to repurchase. Obviously, I love it, but I don't super need it, you know? I am picking up one of these little milk. They look like little milk containers. They're cute. Pretty sad Ikea haul, but you know, that's what we came for. Ziploc bags and lint rollers. Last time I spoke to you guys, I think it was Monday, and it's Thursday now, and I am doing closet switchover, organizing, kind of cleaning, tidying up kind of day, and that's gonna be a separate video. But I kind of got the urge to make those gluten-free Rice Krispie squares. What am I trying to say? I'm so tired. The Rice Krispie squares, because I have these Dandy's pumpkin flavored marshmallows, and they're vegan. They're vegan marshmallows, so I'm not really sure how this is gonna go because I've never tried to melt vegan marshmallows. I've also never tried vegan marshmallows. I'm not gonna make them completely dairy free because I'm gonna use regular butter, but since this is such a small bag, I'm gonna like look up a recipe obviously to see how the heck to do this, because I know how to make regular Rice Krispie squares, but I feel like with portioning I want to make sure I get it right. So I'm gonna look it up. Let's open these up and try them out. I already have my butter starting to melt. Interesting texture. Not like a regular marshmallow, but okay. The flavor of the pumpkin spice is very light. I'm gonna do 2 full cups of marshmallow. I've already started melting my butter. A 1 cup. Let's hope these melt. 2 cups. Alrighty, so they are melting. They kind of expanded. You guys can see they're like growing in size. It's kind of cool. Just kind of smells like butter at this point. It's kind of working. A little stuck together. You can see they're starting to caramelize a little bit. So I'm gonna add in the 3 cups of gluten-free Rice Krispies that I have here. What a weird texture. Boop, boop, boop. I'm gonna go in a little bit at a time. The color of the marshmallows kind of make it look like cheese, which is not the cutest look, honestly, but you know, it's kind of working. It's probably the weirdest thing I've ever made. This is not normal. Here is the final product. I'm going to stick this in the fridge and hope they taste good when we pull them back out. It is many hours later. Cody is now home and we made pasta for dinner. He cooked the chicken and then we added a bunch of stuff that was like in our fridge. It was kind of like a random recipe. And we're trying the Rice Krispies now. I always make us use like a plastic knife in these pans because they scratch so easily. It's not really working.
They cut one. I feel like texture-wise, not great. It's kind of hard to chew, but flavor-wise is good.
It's subtle. What's in there? Not bad.
Maybe letting it sit at room temp or microwaving it a little bit or something. Would help.
I don't hate it. I really thought the taste was gonna be weird, but it's not that weird. Cool. Well, that worked. I haven't had Rice Krispie squares in so long. This is so good. I actually like the texture a lot.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's kind of like stale or something.
Yeah.
You get that?
I could use that. I feel like it's crunchy and then it softens in your mouth though.
Yeah, that's why I think that letting it sit out for a little bit or microwaving it would just make it more enjoyable.
Cool. That's that for this tasting. Goodbye. So I think the last time that I talked to you guys, it was Tuesday, maybe. It's Saturday now, and I spent the week with my mom. She came and she visited. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen. And she helped me like clean and organize. Basically, all we got done was the kitchen, the pantry, all of the cupboards. Since we have moved in, I haven't like gone through the cupboards and like pulled everything out and wiped it. And so that was really needing to be done. And we just kind of like changed things up. Not like a ton, but just to make more sense in our cupboards and to maximize space. And then we also cleaned the storage unit downstairs and then the car, just like tidying everything up. I have like a huge box, a couple boxes, and like a bunch of stuff to donate, which is really great. And then the second day she was here, we did go to a couple places just to pick up some organization stuff and some things that I like donated to replace them, that kind of thing. All super safe. We went to like Home Sense, Canadian Tire, and then a garden store. And I did a couple like fall home decor-y things, so I'll show you guys that after. But I wanted to share with you this PR package that I'm very excited about. The Bear Home sent me some of their cleaning products, and they're made in Canada, and they're sustainable because everything comes in glass and is a refillable, and I'm so excited. I don't know if I've ever gotten cleaning products as a PR package, but it's been a dream, a hope, and a wish for many years because I do clean with these. I talk about cleaning all the time, and so I'm very excited to have all these things, so I wanted to share them with you. This morning I actually just tried out the all-purpose lemon tea tree like spray. You guys saw me use that on my counters and I really like it. Again, glass, and the spray is really nice. It has like either a jet spray or like a mist spray, so love that. All of the packaging is so beautiful, and I'm just really happy to have glass and something that looks more aesthetically pleasing than like plastic stuff on my counter, if that makes sense. So I'm stoked. This is the hand soap. This is blood orange, bergamot, and sandalwood. I'm gonna smell this. I don't think I've smelled this one. Nice. Oh, that's light. Everything is like really lightly scented, which I do appreciate. So that is the hand soap. And then this big bottle here is so beautiful. This is probably like my favorite packaging with the purple. This is their laundry detergent. This is lavender and sage. I love lavender so much. I did smell this and it smelled very good. Oh yeah, I love that. So good. And this green one here is their dish soap. This is bergamot and lime. And then this one came with a refill box, which is so awesome. Again, packaging on point, so good. Eco-sustainable products for your home and you. I love this so much. I'm just so excited to pop this into my pantry. And then I'll definitely have like the dish soap and the hand soap on my countertop. I think I should probably obviously I should use up what I have first before I put these out, but they're just so pretty. I love them. So huge thank you to the Bear Home for sending me these products. I'm so excited to have them and to use them and to test them all out. I kind of decided that I'm going to share my PR haul on Instagram stories this week because I've been doing a lot of them in the vlogs, but I did want to share this last one because it kind of goes with the whole sustainable thing, whether you're using cleaning products that are sustainable or period products that are sustainable. And if you guys saw my period routine video, you saw me rave about the NYX leak-proof underwear. I absolutely love them, and so many of you guys have tried them out from that video because you guys have use the links, which is so great. So definitely go check that video out if you haven't already. And if you haven't tried leak-proof underwear, get on it. It is so good. It is like, it can ease in. You don't have to give up pads and tampons right away, but they do make a huge difference and they're super comfortable. And I'm so excited about these because they are their super absorbency underwear. So I got the bikini, which is the style I normally go for, and then they sent the leak-proof high-rise and then also the thong. So I'm very excited about this. The thong holds 6 regular tampons worth of liquid, and then these two, the regular underwear, hold 8 regular tampons worth, which is crazy. So I'm very excited. You guys, you saw my period routine video, you know my periods are heavier than they once were. TMI for this video maybe. But yeah, I'm very excited. Huge thank you to NYX for sending me these. This was a very exciting week in packages for me. And I think this is what adulting is when you're excited about cleaning products and leak-proof underwear. So just wanted to share that in case you guys are wondering, because if you have bought NYX and you bought the regular kind but you're looking for something a little bit more absorbent, then definitely check out those ones. They are new. So in terms of fall decor that I had previously, I legitimately only have 2 cute pumpkins. I have this purple one and then that white one with the copper lid, which I'll show you in a sec. But this is the little setup on the coffee table. This candle was the one I picked up at Ikea and I love it. I've been running through it really fast, but it smells really nice. Doesn't exactly go with the purple pumpkin, but you know, you guys can tell she's dying pretty quickly, so she'll be out soon. We'll replace her with something new, but overall, not bad. And now moving on to the media unit, I have my Nest pumpkin chai candle. I love this thing. Again, this one's pretty much done as well. I haven't been able to repurchase because they don't have this size on Sephora, but I did recently buy the diffuser, so that should be coming soon. In the meantime, I have this diffuser. This is from my FabFitFun box that they accidentally sent. I'm going to be working with them coming up, but they sent me the previous box, and so I figured I would put it out, and it smells really good. And then when my mom was here, we went to Garden Works, and they had pampas grass, so I got this set of 3. They were 3 for $30, I think, and the sale for the day was like 15% off or something, so I got them for a really good price. Obviously this vase doesn't exactly go, but I don't hate it, and I really like the color of them. They're very floofy and they're just nice, and honestly that's the best price I've seen pampas grass, so I kind of want to go back and get another bunch so then I have like a lot, but you know, might be overwhelming, so that's there for now. And then on the shelves, we just added the pumpkin. This is actually a container, and I got this at HomeSense a couple years ago, but this and my purple pumpkin are pretty much the only decor pieces that I kept of my fall decor. Just, you know, nicer pieces that I can put out. So that's there. The little milk container, I don't know what it's actually called, but I think it looks like a milk container from Ikea. Little candle wick cutter, that's very useful, and a book that I got from a Laneige package. So that's kind of sitting there. And then I do have this little wooden coaster thing. This is actually from Target, and then this is a real pumpkin. So that's pretty much it. That's the extent of my fall decor. Also this past week from HomeSense, I picked up this organizer for the bathroom. It has what, four shelves, and it was like 30 bucks. Such a good deal. It's black. It kind of matches the dotted shower curtain here, and so I wanted to use this to put products, because you guys, I don't know if you can see this, but I have a bunch of like products here and I'd love to just like organize them here. I also have like a bunch of Epsom salts that I like to use regularly, and so I want to kind of just organize this area a little bit, and this little shelf is so cute and so perfect for this spot, so we're gonna organize it if I can take the tags off. definitely doesn't look too bad. It's obviously cluttered a little bit, but I think this will be better than having it kind of along the tub. This way it's easier to clean, but also I can actually lay my head back when I have a bath. And so I have all my body washes here, a couple hair products that are new that I'm trying out, my little dry brush, a couple new Holiday Lush products. Second shelf here I have reserved for scrubs, so we have Pacifica. I have another Pacifica product back here. This is their underarm coconut and charcoal detox scrub. Love this if you're using natural deodorants. It's been a really cool product to use. And my Way scrub, and then this one from Tree Hut is a little bit newer. I think I got this in PR. It's a Shea Sugar Scrub in Rose, and it smells so good. It's very, very gritty. If you guys like a thick, intense scrub, definitely recommend that. And I think you can get it at Walmart. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think it's definitely a very affordable option, and it smells so good. And then down here I have some bath products and my hair mask. So I have a couple hair masks here, and then like bath salts, bath oil from Pacifica, and then a bath milk that I took the label off. This is from the Body Shop, but it's been a little bit old, but it creates the most beautiful bubbles and makes your bath super, super moisturizing. And then I just have my Epsom salt and then another like bath scrub down there. And that is pretty much it for my little organization shelf. I like it. Snacks and I are just sitting here while I edit this vlog, finish it up for you guys. This was a total like chill, makeup free, casual vlog. Hopefully you guys liked it. Our food's here. Hello? So yeah, our dinner's here, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Again, hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before this video is over, and I will see you lovely people in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!